And look, clearing brain fog once isn't the hardest part. Most people figure that out eventually. The hard part is keeping it clear because life doesn't stop. Late nights happen, stress happens, you eat something you shouldn't, you skip the morning routine, and suddenly the fog is back like it never left. That's how our physiology operates. Your olfactory pathway doesn't stay open automatically. It responds to your environment, your inflammation levels, your level of hydration, and your stress hormone. If you give it the wrong inputs consistently, it starts to narrow until one morning you're stuck in the fog that you just can't seem to shake. Here's the good news. The same pathway that responds to the wrong inputs responds just as fast as the right ones. Think of your nasal pathway like a river. When the water's flowing, everything downstream gets what it needs. But let sediment build up, let the banks narrow, and the flow slows, and you feel it. The sediment in this case is inflammation. Low-grade, chronic, sneaky inflammation that most people don't even know they have because it doesn't hurt. It's just fog. In my clinic, I see this pattern constantly. Patients who are doing everything right, they're not eating junk, they're exercising, they look healthy, but their inflammation markers tell a different story, and their brain fog tells the same one. So what keeps the river clear? I'm glad you asked. 3 things I come back to with almost every patient. Number 1, hydration, but not the way you think. It's not about volume. It's about consistency. Even 1% dehydration drops cognitive function measurably, not 10%. 1%. That's a half a cup of water below where you should be. The nasal tissue is some of the most hydration sensitive tissue in your body. When it dries out, it tightens. The pathway narrows. You start your morning with water before anything else, before coffee, before your phone. That one shift moves the needle faster than most people expect. Second, your morning cortisol spike is either your best friend or your worst enemy. 2 minutes of natural light within 30 minutes of waking aligns your cortisol curve for the entire day. I know that sounds too simple, but the research on this is solid. Cortisol dysregulation is one of the fastest ways to create the kind of inflammation that congests this pathway. 2 minutes outside, that's it. Third, breathwork, specifically nasal breathing. Mouth breathing, especially during sleep, dries the olfactory tissues and increases inflammation markers overnight. So if you're waking up foggy consistently, that's often where I start looking. And look, all of this is in the free Clear Mind guide I put together. The 5 strategies, the research behind each one, plus the instant breakthrough method for when you need clarity right now. This link is right below this video. So now, here's what I actually think is happening with chronic brain fog. And I want to be straight with you. This is my clinical pattern recognition talking, not a published study. I think most people aren't dealing with a brain problem at all. They're dealing with a pathway problem that's been misread as a brain problem for so long that they've started believing it. They think their cognition is declining. They think it's age. They think it's just who they are now. But what I keep seeing is this. When we clear the root and keep it clear, through hydration, through cortisol management, through direct pathway support, the cognitive function that was always there comes back online. That's not me being optimistic. That's what I watch happen. The brain wasn't failing. The delivery system was congested. Now, here's where most people hit a wall even after they've built these habits. Life throws a curveball, bad week, travel, a stressful month, and the fog comes back really hard despite everything you've been doing right. That's discouraging. That moment when your good habits aren't good enough and you need clarity right now. And that's what this next video is built for, because there's a specific reset that works in under 5 minutes. Doesn't matter how congested the pathway got, doesn't matter how long the fog's been back. It's fast, it's direct, and it works with the same physiology we've been talking about. Click here to watch it next, because this is the piece that makes the whole system resilient. Not just good days, but a fast recovery even on the bad ones.